Hello, I hope you're having an amazing day. We're going to practice a slower flow. It's called Endless Summer Practice, and it's also full moon today. So it's super good for grounding. We're also going to do positions which helps with the stomach, any stomach problems, and also spleen. Let's get right into it. I recommend you using a block. So I have a block handy here. Okay. Come to any easy seated position. Let's start with some breathing. So sit up nice and tall, lengthen the spine. And we're going to take your 3 deep full breaths. So inhale deeply through the nose and exhale through the mouth like. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale deeply. Exhale. And one more time. Inhale. Exhale, sigh it out. Completely let go. Feel your shoulders melting, relaxing completely, dripping into the ground. Good. So let's unwind out of this position and be going to transition into a half saddle. So first on the right side, tuck your right foot closer towards the right hip. And we're going to keep the left leg extended. So let's flex the left foot. If you feel that you're leaning too much to one side, you can use the block here and you can prop yourself up. So 2 options here. You can start walking yourself back and maybe come into this pose. You can lower down to the forearms, or you can lower all the way down onto your back. Let's take your 3 generous breaths. Inhale, exhale. Remember, just only go as far as it feels good. So don't push yourself, especially if you feel a sharp pain. We always honor our body, our needs. Exhale. With the exhalation, gently push into the forearms and gently come on out of the position. Good. Let's simply switch sides. So right leg extends, bend the left knee here. Let's adjust the hips. So if you need, use the block under the right hip. Flex the right foot and start walking your hands back. So you may come this far and you're already going to feel so much benefit of this position. Try to push the chest towards the ceiling. Maybe drop the head and neck to the back. You can be here on the forearms or all the way down to the ground. Let's take 2 more generous breaths. Inhale, exhale. One more breath. Inhale, exhale. Beautiful. With the exhalation, gently lift away. Come back to the center. Extend the legs out to the front. And we're going to swivel the legs around. So let's swivel the legs. Come down onto the belly. This is one of my favorite position, the Sphinx pose. So it's really good for digestion. You're going to spread the fingers wide. Forearms parallel towards each other and try to lift out of the position. So shine your heart, chest pushes forward. Gaze inward up to the sun center. 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. One more deep full breath. Inhale. Exhale, nice. With the exhalation, hands under the shoulders. Come on up to tabletop position and step the right foot outside of your right hand. Coming up first into a high dragonfly. So hands on the knees. Push the knees away from you. Coming up into a back bend. Exhale, bring the hands down inside of the right foot. Lengthen the spine, allow the hips to sink. Take a deep breath, inhale. With the exhalation, slowly lower all the way down to the forearms. Good. Take your nice deep full breath. Inhale, sink the hips even deeper. With the exhalation, gently walk your hands back under the shoulders, and let's come in into a spinal twist. So twist, twist, twist all the way down to the side. With the exhale, slowly release, come back to the center. Let's step the right foot back and simply switch sides. So left foot steps outside, bring your hands up towards the left knee, and then push the knee away from you, coming into that amazing back bend. Exhale, slowly release, hands inside of that left foot. Take a breath in. Exhale, release the forearms all the way down to the ground. Take another deep inhale, sink the hips. And with your next breath out, let's come in into a spinal twist. Push the leg outside, gaze over the shoulder. Exhale, empty lungs. Good. With the exhalation, we're going to step back into our all four. And let's come on out into a seated position. So straddle the legs out to the sides. Shift the weight forward. Lengthen the spine. And first we're coming into spinal twist down to the right. Exhale all the way down to the left. And let's do 3 forward folds. So reach up with the exhale. Bend over to the right, chin to the chest, lengthen the spine. Inhale, lift the center over to the opposite side. So you can always use a towel, or you can always use a strap around the foot if you're not able to reach. Relax the upper body. Inhale, come back to center, lengthen out of the hips. Exhale, forward fold, chin to the chest. 3 deep full breaths. Exhale, come back to center, and we're going to close our practice in a butterfly position. So bring the soles of the feet together, hips closer towards the heels, interlace the fingers around the toes, lengthen the spine. Exhale, chin to the chest, and melt into the position. So I like for you to transform anything that's going on in your life right now. So maybe it's any anxiety, fear, or any negative emotion. We can always transform these emotions into positivity, especially into loving kindness. It's called metta. So I like for you to pick any random act of loving kindness, which may be just leaving a nice compliment for someone online. It may be recommending an amazing book to somebody, maybe connecting someone who in need of help, who is struggling. Or you can also choose to talk to yourself in a positive way all day long. You can also paint stones and leave them in random places with positive notes. With the exhale, slowly release. Thank you for sharing your practice. Namaste. And I would love for you to leave maybe in the comment what would be your random act of kindness for today or this week. Namaste.